Living in a tiny apartment doesn't mean you can't feel the magic of Christmas. In just 300 square feet, you can create a holiday wonderland that feels luxurious and cozy. Let's step inside and see how a small space becomes a festive dream. First, focus on lighting. Soft, warm lights instantly make a small apartment feel cozier. Try wrapping string lights around shelves, windows, or mirrors to reflect a gentle glow throughout the room. Now, stick to a clean color palette. Choose 1 or 3 holiday colors, like gold, red and deep green, and pair them with neutral tones such as beige, white, or light gray. This keeps the look sophisticated instead of cluttered. Next, go vertical. Use a slim Christmas tree or a wall-mounted tree alternative to save floor space while still adding that festive centerpiece. Next, add subtle details. A wreath above the sofa, a few candles on a side table, or a soft blanket draped over the couch. In the kitchen, switch to warm lighting and display a few ornaments or garlands on floating shelves. In the bedroom, use fairy lights around the headboard and cozy textures, think plush pillows and knitted throws, to bring that Christmas comfort vibe without overwhelming the space. When you live small, every detail counts. The key to a beautiful Christmas apartment isn't about having more space, it's about using your creativity to make it shine. So whether it's a tiny studio or a compact apartment, you can still create a holiday home that feels magical. Which of these ideas would you try first? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more small space design inspiration.